Hello and welcome to Level 1 Game Design Camp. My name is Ryan Tenney, and this is some how-to videos on how to use Unity to make 2D games using Unity asset called Playground. I want to start off with an introduction to Unity. Here we see the Game Design Tool program with different windows. You can download this from unity.com. You just select the personal and it is free to use. And it's pretty easy to use as well. I want to go over some of these windows first. Here we have the hierarchy. This is the list of your game objects. This is all the objects in your scene. Here we already have a main camera. Over here we have the scene window. This is where we see everything in our scene. As you can see a camera. Over here we have the inspector, which looks very closely at one game object. As you can see, we have the camera here, and what kind of different projection and size. I want to make the camera a little bit bigger. I'm going to go ahead and make that a 10. As you can see, the camera got bigger. You can also change it with these squares. But I think 10's a safe number. Down here, we have the project window, which stores all of your assets. Here we have scenes, sample scene, which is the scene that we're in, and different packages. They give you automatic. This is just stuff you get with Unity. And then it's really easy to, we'll be dealing with that later. Up here we have different tools. Your hand tool helps us move the screen. I think this is object select or move tool. You select the object and it gives you arrows to move it left or right. You see over here, those numbers change because that is what position this camera is in. X minus 4, Y minus. You can change that. I'm going to make it 0, 0. And I'm going to keep this minus 10Z. I'll explain that in a later episode. Here we also have rotate tool, scale tool, rectangular tool, just a bunch of different tools. Another window, we have this game tool. So whenever you play your game, this is the window that you'll see it in. And if you press that, you see how it fades out. It tells you that you are in the game mode. You can change that color by finding your preferences on a PC. It's edit, then preferences. I think on a Mac it's Apple button or Unity button, preferences. Go to colors, play mode tint. Gotta make this window a little bit bigger, and then you can change the color. Alright. Let's see if you play, it now turns blue and it tells you that you're in the game mode. So those are all the different windows. You have the hierarchy, which has the game objects. You have the scene window, the game window, the inspector, and your project folder. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for an introduction to Unity. We'll be using these tools to start building a game now. Alright, see you in the next video.